Whenever you deliver a presentation on stage, chances are 50% of the audience might not exactly know who you are. Today, I want to share 4 things that you need to know about your audience before you deliver a presentation. When you know these 4 things, you're more likely to deliver content that's relevant to them. That way, you can avoid annoying your audience by delivering content that's way too complicated. Or you could avoid boring your audience by delivering content that's way too simple. Who's in the audience? Are you speaking to first-year students or are you speaking to final-year students? Although it seems like you're just speaking to university students, being able to make that distinction will help you tailor stories that are most relevant to them. What's the average age of your audience? Once you know that, tailor your content in a way that connects you and your audience, simply by matching where they are in their lives right now. For example, if you're a company CEO and you're speaking to final year students, go back in time to when you were a university student too. Share snippets of your first full-time job. How did you get your first full-time job? What opportunities did that lead on to? What challenges did you face before your current role as a CEO? When you share your story that way, it becomes much easier for your audience to feel more connected to you. What has your audience recently achieved? Have they just completed their final year exam or have they graduated last week? Knowing and acknowledging what your audience has recently achieved shows you care about them, their success, and it also makes them feel good about themselves. What does your audience desire? Are you speaking to first-year students who wish to maximize their university experience? Or are you speaking to final-year students who wish to secure their first full-time job? Once you know those 4 things about your audience, you'll be in a much better position to deliver content that's relevant to them. There really isn't a point in delivering a presentation if you don't understand who your audience is. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. I'll see you on the next one.